What is up, guys? Birdie here. Today I'm going to be making a new video. That's my sister's fidget spinner. Do you want to say anything, Abby?
If you guys have a red fidget spinner, leave a comment down below.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to put your fidget spinner back. Put it back now.
Can I pick close?
You could pick glass. Okay, so this is the bin. We have all of those. They're not all mine. Don't shake it up because that's annoying.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I can pick. So I'm going to close my eyes. First two.
Okay, my turn.
Quit.
It's all jingly.
Okay, so I'm going to be telling you all of the teams. Abby, don't touch anything.
Where's the little sinky for it?
Drew lost it. Just sit in my bed and watch. So first team is this blue fidget spinner. You can see it's not actually that good.
And then this one.
So rusty.
And then this black.
This black one, it spins pretty good. It's a fidget spinner from 7-Eleven. So is the blue one. Okay, so that's the first team. They will be competing first.
And this team. Since I know where they came from, can I at least tell the glow name dog one's mine? Oh, I just got mine. That blue one. Two pink
So this is the second team, white and blue. This one is from my friend Boss Gaming 9035 Zoo. Go check his channel out. There's 2 pink bearings, 1 black bearing. Spins for about a minute sometimes. So that's the blue one. This is also from my friend Boss Gaming 9035 Zoo. Please go check them out. This is my brother's. These are my brothers. There's 4 of my brothers, 3 of mine, and 1 of my sisters. Abby, quit spinning.
Just spinning.
Or you're gonna be out of the video. So this is a glow in the dark, 1 pink bearing, 2 black bearings. You could take the middle piece out, but I'm not. It's easy, but it's kind of hard to put back in. So here's this. This is my brother's yellow glow-in-the-dark one. He lost one of the caps for it, so it looks like that. All black bearings. Has the cap on that side. That's what it looks like. The cap also glows in the dark.
It's from Sweet and Sassy. It's in the mall, South Hills Mall.
Be quiet.
Then this one's mine from 7-Eleven.
So it's all red. It's kind of like that blue one, except for I don't know if it spins longer.
It probably does.
It's all scratched up though. Then the bearings are all the same, exactly like the black and blue one. Okay, so that's the third team. This is my brother's that he got yesterday. Camo. I'll show you. It's all camo. It spins, I'm sure, for a couple minutes, but it's all loudsy.
Sounds like there's something inside.
Okay, so that's it. You could just look at the bearings real quick. Then here is my glow-in-the-dark blue one. All has the same black bearings. Blue caps. The whole thing glows in the dark.
All 3 of these are from South Hills Village. These 2 are from Sweet and Sassy. This one's just from a stand.
Okay, so I'll be giving you an overview of the teams. Team 1, blue and black. Team 2, blue and white. Team 3, yellow and red. Team 4, Camu, and Blue.
Sparks, you want to look at that?
So, first I will be doing Team 1. Abby, record. Don't just show me spin them.
So now you will be spinning them.
And there will be a finals too.
This kind of looks like
Championships. And
That
so
kinda
just
looks
watch those spin.
See
Put in
which
the
ones-
comments right now whoever you're going to think who wins. Do that for every single one. This one, this really looks like it's slowing down, but it's
That
kinda
one's probably
being
gonna win.
fast. Yeah, that's also being
That
really
one's
fast.
gonna win.
Yeah, this is probably going to win.
Losing.
Quit touching it.
Yes, Sparks.
Quit touching them. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the blue one to stop spinning.
And done.
Okay, so blue one lost.
Put in the bucket.
It's back in there.
And that one wins.
That's in the championships. Be competing against other things.
Hey, Sparks, you
So
want to
again, I'm
look
just
at
down. Okay, so I don't know who's gonna win first. Put in the comments who you think's gonna win right now.
Right now.
Look at it, it keeps working. That really looks like it's slowing down. It's really not.
Yeah.
They're both kind of going the same. But
The blue one with the
might
pink
lose.
bills is done.
Okay, so that's gonna be with that blue one.
And then that one's
Just
gonna be with the
slowing down.
championship.
That's gonna be competing
Can I spin
against the black
mine?
one. Who goes against that?
I don't know.
But you don't even know how to spin them. Just hold the camera again. Let me
What?
spin. Let me spin!
Yeah, that one does not work.
Yeah.
I'm sure the red one's gonna lose just what everything's spinning. In the comments. Yeah,
That
there's-
one's slowing down a little bit. See? That's gonna win.
It's usually faster with the cap though.
Loser championship!
Okay, get out now. Now.
That's my fidget spinner, then give me it. Then give me it.
It won.
Give me it then.
Stop talking.
I like this one.
Dang. Dude, say stuff. So here's this team. Gonna spin real quick. Put in the comments who will win.
So that's good.
The blue one's slowing down. The blue one's gonna lose, just wait for it to lose. Okay, so camo one. Okay, so black against white. Gonna spin them real quick. Put in the comments who will win. Black, right there. Or go in the dark white. The white one looks like it's slowing down.
Hey,
It
I'm
kind of
white.
is.
Hey, I'm one. You have to say white with pink bills.
The white one's slowing down. The black one might win this little round. Okay. They're both stopping. Ow! 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 Go ask Mom if we could go to Sky's pool.
No.
It's dry out.
No.
It's dry. You
No.
wanna go?
Maybe.
The white one won.
I was not expecting that.
Okay, so that's in the championship.
No.
No, she doesn't want to. Okay, so I don't know who's gonna win. Probably Camera one. Put in the comments right now. This kid cannot do Rolex. I'll dance to Rolex.
Okay, that's all right.
No, I'll get freaking copyright. Then I can't have you in any videos. Okay, so I'm sure the red one lost. Okay, red one's over.
Stop.
Okay, so I'm gonna spin the white one. Then the white. I got a bad spin for the camera one. Put in the comments who's gonna win.
White one.
That's probably gonna be losing. This is probably gonna end up winning. Stop touching my stuff. Your thing's already out. You could go back in your room. Stop. The white one lost. Maybe.
Not lose.
Oh, that is so close. Tie. It's a tie. That is so tie. Now we have to do it again. It's a tie. It'd be like that. My sister, what's stuck in my head. So I'm always singing it. I'm looking at the camera, so I don't know who's winning. I'm sure the white one's probably slowing down. Yeah, put in the comments who's gonna win. I'm probably gonna end this video. Oh, the white one won! Oh, camera one was in second place. So now I'm gonna spin all of them in an overview type of thing. Those are all the fidgets. Tell me in the comments for more videos. I kind of gave up on Pokemon videos because I got no views. So I'm going to stop all of them. So the white one was in first place. Camo was in second. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you my tortoise real quick. And peace.